In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn off auto accept requests on Instagram. So first of all, launch open Instagram application, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this section for how others can interact with you. At last, you'll be able to find this option for follow and invite friends. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Under the section for following, at first you'll be able to find this option for automatically confirm anyone you follow. So what you have to do is toggle this button off. Now after you do that, auto accepting the request will be turned off. You'll have to manually approve the request. So that is how you turn off auto accept request on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.